So here's Magno Black G63 AMG. And here's a AMG GT 53. Check it out. It has AMG and then door puddle lights, I should say. So tires in the front, you have a 275 35 21-inch wheel, big AMG brakes, AMG forged wheels. This one is also Magno Black. In the rear, you have the same Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. And these tires are 315 30 21s. Here's the key right here. I'm gonna pop the trunk. This one has the AMG car cover. And here's the sticker. 106 base. Goes all the way to 134,965. So this one comes with the, graphite gray Magno, the black exclusive Napa leather, the matte carbon fiber. It's got the AMG performance steering wheel in Napa leather and microfiber, 21-inch AMG forged cross spoke wheels, heated and ventilated seats, fixed panorama roof, AMG light display, head-up display, the microfiber black headliner, the DA2 driver assist package, including Distronic, the DBO warmth and comfort package, the AMG night package, and then the extended DF1 extended night package. So altogether 134,965 with sticker. This one's a 2023. It's got the Burmeister. We'll shut the trunk. We're gonna go in the car and check it out. It's got the seats. AMG lit up door sills. Seats. This one has 8,200 miles on it. Let's start it up. Light up display too. Here's the steering wheel. Up the exhaust, switch it to Sport Plus right here. Everything's on here. You can also raise the wing by pushing this button. It says, so you'll push this, raise the spoiler. Look at the blue, it's beautiful in here. Pop the hood. Heated and ventilated seats.